This is Pranav here and welcome back. Today I'll be playing this new game. It's just got out of early access. It's by Highbrow Interactive, the company that made Indian Train Simulator. It's quite cool. Now let's just keep this on the top. Oh sorry. Or wherever. Now just press play. A road to Chennai to Mumbai. Currently, there no feature which allows you to actually, you know, select which route you want. It's just auto selected. This is something I think they need to change. Anyway, it's just out of early access. Just a few days now, so I think it can be exclusive. Let's see. Mumbai is our target. Arrive Mumbai. Sketches. Vrindavan Express. Take it. Oh yeah. Now, one more thing to keep in mind is that every train only has an LHB coaches. The ICF coaches haven't been implemented. Still in development. Now, as you see, there's a hunger, thirst, and bladder bar. You need to make sure that all of these are, what to say, full. Yeah, I mean that they need to be full at all times. Otherwise, game over. We have 46 minutes to finish this. This is quite good. So I won't keep you waiting. I will cut parts of it so that you guys don't get too bored. I think the express is coming. Now what it is? Nice. Jumping around like that. Yeah. Need to press board and confirm. But it will only hit inside. Now I shall explain that this in the game. Outside you saw a food stall sign. That is where you get your food when you are on the station. If you want to get it inside, you need to wait for a minute. Crazy that we go onto this side only all the time. It says it's a signal stop, but it should actually be a station Just always go and swap your seat. Now if you're not interested in sitting, you can press this door button. I will take you here. You can press on a door 1 or door 2. Or door 2. And that takes you into this side. I think it's just it. Click or something. I have no idea. What is it meaning with it? It's good that they added this feature. approach our station. Now, if you reach your destination, you just press the train. Click over here. You head down to the station. Now, I realize that I'm eager to wait for a vendor to come because otherwise, if it doesn't happen, you're gonna get game over. And basically, yeah. Now I think I should pause the game now, but whatever this is for. But now it's not that so when a real vendor comes in, that's it. Let's just go inside the set. That girl can say she has a tray. It's only that they come inside and eat. Okay? Let's just yeah, this is a perfect set. I'll just pause it so that it's not too long for you. 15 minutes, it is very long. And it's getting quite boring for me also. So how is your opinion about the game? Leave it down in the comment section below. So this is Pranav, over and out. Have a nice day. Bye.